before you ask, there was a failure of transformer at Amona, Sakli. There is a substation wherein we had 2 into 50 MVA transformers. One of the bus coupler, there was a fault, and therefore both the transformer tripped. And that since the one of the protection of one transformer acted on time and it protected the equipment, it has opened and protected. The other protection system did not act. Now, why it did not act? It is not possible to tell now because my all the engineers are trying to get the data from the relays and the meters exactly because it's a very complicated system. Bus coupler and different feeders and things are there. So people are there. I'm continuously getting calls. So we have to find out. But because of it, the fault has transferred to the transformer, and there was a fire, and the transformer has failed. Now we are trying to restore the supply. So domestic supply will be restored. Some of the industries in and around that belt, Amona, will get affected. But we have one transformer elsewhere which is not loaded, which is a spare. So we are going to shift it in the next 3 to 4 days.